1. I hope that you remember about the trip to the aqua park tomorrow. We're meeting in front of the school at 8 a.m. Don't be late because you will have only 15 minutes for packing all your things to the coach, and then we are starting the ride. If you come earlier, you can wait in the school. The front door will be open from 7:15. 2. John, how was your holiday?
Hi, Bianca. Oh, it was great.
Where did you go? I was at the seaside with my parents as usual.
Well, my parents wanted to spend some time at the lake because we have a small wooden cabin there. But then our friends called and invited us to the mountains.
3. Wow, it looks great, but how do you turn it on?
See this button? You have to press it. Then you see a light.
Okay, there's a light.
Now let's put the bread inside and wait until it's ready.
Okay, but I think we should move it near the coffee machine.
Yeah, you're right. Let me bring some butter and jam.
4.
This film was so boring.
We should go somewhere else next weekend. How about a concert?
It's even louder than the cinema. I think we should go bowling.
Okay, let's go to that new bowling alley opposite the cinema. 5.
Mum, it's Henry. You won't believe it, but the new headphones you gave me yesterday don't work. My friend suggested going to the shop and trying to return them. Find some time to go with me, please. Can you meet me after school? Bring the receipt if you can.